Hi guys, this is Jahid from Apex Recipe. You have a great news from Apex Recipe. Apex Recipe is launching a new video series, Learn JavaScript by PLSQL. Before starting, a special note for you. Remember one thing, if you want to be an Oracle Apex developer, then you must have to be a full stack developer. A full stack developer who knows server side and as well as client side. Let's figure out the scope of this series. If you have knowledge on Oracle PLSQL, then you are very close to JavaScript. In this video series, I'll describe to you JavaScript by PLSQL syntax. So it would be really great scope for PLSQL developer to learn JavaScript very easily. So it's PLSQL versus JavaScript's IR. If you want to be a full stack developer, you must know about all tiers of an application. Oracle Apex has a simplified two-tier architecture. On the server side, Oracle database, Oracle data modeling, PLSQL, SQL. On the client side, HTML, CSS, and the most powerful JavaScript. Let's see an example of PLSQL. Then we will compare this syntax with JavaScript syntax. I know you know very well PLSQL is case sensitive. Is not case sensitive, and it's have a declarative section on which section we declare some variables and other object such as type, record, etc. And PLSQL strongly follow the data type. That means we don't mix up variable with the multiple data type, and its scope defined by block by block. That means you see this is the parent block and it's the nested block. In the nested block, vvar is called, and there would be no error. But in vvar cell variable, if we want to try assign a string, it will definitely raise an error. Then let's compare the syntax with JavaScript. You know, JavaScript is highly case sensitive, and it's have no defined declarative section. That means you can declare a variable anywhere you want, and it's weakly follow the data type. That means see this variable var salary. In the salary variable, firstly we assigned a number data type. On the second line, salary is assigned by a string, but it will not raise any error. And JavaScript scope defined by function. Outside of function is global. That means outside of the see at the first line, var variable, that on the JavaScript syntax, if you want to declare a variable, you must write var on the first. Guys, this is just a demo of this series. So So guys, if you don't want to miss any videos from this series, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.